Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And good evening to all of you, my friends. And this video I am making for the stock analysis for short term and for long term for educational purpose based on pure technical analysis. The two stocks is Deepak Fertilizer and second is Adani Power. I am making all those video for educational purpose. If you benefited from my videos, please do like, share and subscribe my video. And if you want to learn from technical analysis course, you can join my technical analysis course. And thanking you for watching my previous videos where you can get the proof of my analysis too. Today I am also sharing a chart of Can Fin Home. That is a good stocks also, and it will that will also a good stock will going to be happen for the next couple of months. And then the Deepak Fertilizer, this in this video, Deepak Fertilizer and Adani Power, this two stocks is very good to me. That is why I sharing to all of you. And those stocks I am going to making analysis on pure based on pure technical analysis on price chart. And hopefully you all benefited from my videos too. If you benefited, please do like, share and subscribe and share with all of your friends. Let's start. First I am going to analyze the Deepak Fertilizer and second the Adani Power. This is the Deepak Fertilizer chart. You all see from 2018, this is the prolonged downtrend, lower top lower bottom formation created. So this is the long downtrend is happening. The downtrend line is there. 2020 it's crossed this downtrend line, and again after this cross the downtrend line, it's retraced and taking this support from the downtrend line, and then rise, and then price again creating a formation in inverted head and shoulder formation, and also slowly it's creating a rounding bottom type of formation also there. This two formation is showing the strength in this price chart in the Deepak Fertilizer. The other indicator also showing in this strength in this Deepak Fertilizer. That is why I share this chart to all of you. You see, this is the MACD. It's crossed and rising. Weekly chart and daily chart also showing the strength. RSI also showing the strength above the bullish zone. And another is the stochastics rising above 50 levels, and three stochastics showing the strength in the weekly and daily basis. So Deepak Fertilizer is looking very good, and it's showing the strength in this price chart. It's showing the strength for the bullishness in coming weeks and coming months. The neckline is there 184 levels. So 184 to 188 levels is the very crucial for the support levels. Is if if below 184 levels is gone and is sustained below above that levels, then we have to quit this from the stock, but which is this is very unlikely. This is a breaking the neckline with a good volume is suggested that there is a strength. It's a very unlikely to close below the 184 levels, but the possibility is sometimes 1 to 5, 1 to 10% is there. Then there was a give this view. The next target will be 288 to 290 levels and then 390 levels. First target will be 288 to 290, then 390 levels is the next target levels with a stop loss of 184 to 188 levels. Deepak Fertilizer is looking very good. This is the maybe going to be #1 chart for this month. It's looking very good in my view, in my eyes. That is why I shared this chart to all of you. Don't miss this chart. Hopefully you all benefited from my analysis from Deepak Deepak Fertilizer. If anyone wants to trade, please do like, share, and subscribe. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the analysis. And if you want to trade on my video, on my analysis, please first yourself analysis with the price chart. If required any help, I will give the help here. Please write down in my comment box, then I give the help. And the next chart is Adani Power. You all see this is the Adani Power Limited. This is also a price chart of Adani Power. Adani Power price chart I am analysis on based on pure technical analysis. And these stocks is break from almost 2012 to 2020 levels, 28 years, 9 years. It's trade in between 70 levels to 20 levels, and this time is breakout from 70 levels with a good volume. And it's sustained above 3 weeks. It's a very good sign for the Adani Power at this moment. That is why we can say this Adani Power may be going to sustain above that 70 levels, and it's looking very good at this moment. For after an 8-year breakout is very significant. And in price chart, maximum chances to very maximum chances to get the bullishness and give and it's now looking for the open sky for the Adani Power Limited. 120 is the next target levels, and then 145 to 150 levels is the next target after the 120 levels. If sustained above 120 levels, then the next target will be 140 to 150 levels for the Adani Power. The 70 levels is the very crucial. If any retrace, it can come at 69 to 70 levels. If below close above 70 levels, which is very unlikely anyway, if there is a possibility, if possible 5 to 10%, then if 69 to 70 is break and close below that level, then we have to quit from this Adani Power Limited. Otherwise, it's looking very good, and it's showing the strength and it's showing the bullishness of the Adani Power stock. and it's very going to be best stock for the other best stock in coming weeks and coming months after the Deepak fertilizer. The stocks also looking very good in my eyes. That is why I shared with to all of your friends, to all of you, with my friends, and hope you all benefited from this analysis too, like my previous analysis. If anyone wants to wants my analysis proof, they can go through my previous analysis in my previous video. I give some of a review video in my channel. You can also watch that, then you can get the proof of my analysis too. If you benefited from my analysis, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you want to join my technical analysis course, they can also join my technical analysis course. This video I am making for the educational purpose, which I am telling to all of you again and again. Anyway, this is the price chart which I told to all of you. I am showing the some indicator in stochastics is also showing the bullishness, cross and rising in weekly and also in a daily. The very good sign, very good strength is showing that this month, if goes above that levels of 70 levels, then it will be a very good stocks in coming months. RSI also showing the strength. The MACD is also showing the strength in daily and weekly basis. So Adani Power also looking very good at this moment to me. That is why I shared to this talk to all of you. KST is showing the very good bullishness. The moving average also showing the strength of this stock. So all indicator also showing giving the strength with along with their price. So this stocks is looking very bullish in my view. Hopefully it will be going to be benefited to all of you. So 120 is the next target, and 140. So after that, if sustain 120 levels, then 140 to 150 levels is the next resistance levels for the Adani Power, or next target levels. 70 levels is the very good crucial support levels for the Adani Power. Hopefully you all benefited from my videos, like my other video or my previous video. If you benefited, please do like, share, and subscribe my video, and press the bell icon. Then you can get the all notification of my videos. If you join my technical analysis course, if you want to join my technical analysis course, you can join my technical analysis course. And thanking you to all of you, my friends. Thanking you very much.